Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. If you are already chat family, welcome back. And welcome to my 4-part Fall Self-Care Reset series. Tonight, we are going to get started with part 1. So as I said, hello beautiful people. I hope that you are feeling welcome. Let's jump right in. And if you did not do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to blow dry on the like button for me. It really helps with the way the content is shared. It really lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content and that you are engaging in the content. Now, without further ado, tonight we're going to begin part 1 with skincare, okay? Because as the leaves change, so should our skincare routines. And fall is the perfect time to reset and refresh, especially for us women or men, but in particularly women of color. So today I am sharing some of my top skincare tips to help keep your melanin glowing all season long. And for the best part, you don't have to break the bank. I've got some affordable and DIY options just for you. So let's dive in. Now, first up, I want to talk about cleansers. As the air gets cooler, it's going to be crucial for us to switch to a gentle, hydrating cleanser. So you want to look for ones with ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. These types of cleansers will cleanse your skin without stripping your skin's natural oils. And if you're into DIY, you can try something like a honey and aloe vera mix. This is going to be soothing and perfect for those of us who have sensitive skin. Next up, we want to talk toners. A good toner can actually balance your skin's pH and prep it for whatever your next steps are in your skincare routine. For example, witch hazel. Old school, trusted, tried and true, but it's actually an amazing, fantastic, and affordable option. It's going to be gentle, it's going to help to tighten up pores, and for a DIY twist, you can actually try brewing up some green tea bags, let it cool, and use that as a refreshing toner. The green tea is going to be packed with antioxidants that your skin will truly love and thank you for. Now, on to serums. This is where you can really target your specific skin concerns. Vitamin C serums are an absolute must for brightening and evening out your skin tone. And before you go to assuming the worst, when I say brightening, I'm not talking about bleaching, okay? We're talking about brightening. A lot of times we suffer from hyperpigmentation or different skin discoloration. And so the vitamin C serums are great for that, brightening and evening out your skin tone. These are going to be widely available at various price points. And if you're feeling crafty enough, okay, and you like the DIY approach, you can actually create your own by mixing a few drops of rosehip oil with aloe vera gel and kind of creating your own nourishing DIY serum. Trust me, it is going to be like a gentle hug for your skin. And then lastly, to finalize your skincare routine, as the weather cools, when we're looking to moisturize the skin, you want to opt for a thicker, cream-based moisturizer. something that is going to lock in the hydration. Shea butter is actually a fantastic natural option that's going to be rich and deeply moisturizing. And you can even whip up your own blend with shea butter and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. It's going to be luxurious, but again, without breaking the bank, something that is going to really help seal in that extra moisture. So again, cleansing, toning, serums to target, and even out areas that may be problem zones. And then of course, moisturizing. The whole idea here is, for the most part, we all have our skincare routines. We're simply doing a reset because we want to change them up slightly because the seasons are changed. Obviously, in the hotter seasons, you don't want to put on thick, heavy moisturizers. You want to go for something a little bit more lightweight. But in the cooler months, you definitely want to go for more hydration, more moisturizing. So remember, skincare does not have to be expensive. It simply needs to be effective. So I hope that with these tips, you can keep your skin healthy and radiant without spending a fortune. Okay, so at this time, that pretty much concludes part 1 of our 4-part self-care series. Again, this is the Fall Self-Care Reset presented by Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. You guys, what are your go-to fall skincare tips? Please share. Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And double tap the notification bell for more self-care goodness. Until next time, thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, stay fabulous, and take care of that beautiful skin. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.